Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the TCT or the timing chain tensioner from a Honda S2000. It is helpful to know how to do this because it is very common to replace or repair failing timing chain tensioners. Personally, I'm removing my timing chain tensioner in order to replace the rubber gaskets and fix an oil leak. Anyway, let's get to it. The first thing that I suggest you do is remove the air intake. If you are replacing your timing chain tensioner with a new one, you will need to remove the air intake in order to get access to the maintenance hole on the cylinder head. If you're just repairing your timing chain tensioner, then you can get away without removing the air intake, but it will be trickier to access the timing chain tensioner. If you need help removing your air intake, I've got you covered with videos that will be linked down below. The next thing you want to do is place some paper towels or rags below the timing chain tensioner and above the oil filter. When the timing chain tensioner is removed, some oil will leak out, so doing this will ensure you don't make an oily mess. Now you're ready to remove the timing chain tensioner. When you look at the exterior of the timing chain tensioner, you'll notice that it has 4 bolts. There are 2 silver bolts that hold the inspection cover in place, and there are 2 brass bolts that secure the timing chain tensioner to the cylinder head. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 brass bolts that secure the timing chain tensioner to the cylinder head. Once the bolts are removed, try to pull the timing chain tensioner out. More than likely it will be stuck and it won't want to come out. No need to worry though, you can pry it out from the inside. Use an 8mm hex drive to remove the bolt known as the maintenance cover. This bolt will be located directly to the right of the timing chain tensioner and should not be confused with the bolt in the middle of the cylinder head. Once the bolt is removed, you should be able to look into the cylinder head and see the piston of the timing chain tensioner. Simply insert a clean screwdriver and gently pry against the timing chain tensioner body, and the timing chain tensioner should pop right out. Once removed, make sure the piston is pointed upwards as the internals of the timing chain tensioner can spill out. And that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for some follow-up videos on TCT installation, and feel free to leave a comment down below with any DIY you'd like to see covered in the future.